Okay, friends, today we're going to make a craft. So we need a plate or a paper plate, piece of paper, a marker, pen or scissors, pom-poms or pieces of paper or old buttons or whatever you have at home that mom's willing to let you create with. Some glue, and I have an extra envelope here to use to make the lines for the pizza. So what we're going to do now is going to start and use our marker and make our circle again. There we go. There's one part. Move this out of the way. Now we can use our envelope to make the lines for the pieces of the pizza. Here we go. One line, turn it. 2 lines. 3 lines. And 4 lines. Because a pizza has 8 pieces usually. So what we're going to do now is we're going to count our pieces. Let me move the camera down a little bit. There you go. All right, so we're going to count our pieces, but we're going to put one of our pom-poms in the first one so we don't count that one again. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces of pizza. Now we're going to take this off. And you're going to write the numbers in each one of these. So a 1 here or a 2 here, and you're going to mix it up a little bit. If you're not sure how to make it, please ask moms and dads to give you a little bit of help, okay? Have them write it on a piece of paper, and then you can copy it. But Miss Wendy's going to do it right now. So we have 1, going to move around, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now I got that part done. Now what Miss Wendy's going to do now is we're going to cut it out so we can begin. Here we go. Give it a quick kick. Cut around the circle. This is good practice for our hands when we cut around the circle. You always want to do the circle first because then it'll be easier to cut out the pieces. Just keep going around that circle. Remember, one hand stands still and the other one moves. As you turn the paper, you can stay cutting. Try not to move your hand. Don't move your hand. Move the paper. This one is just turning it as I cut. Turning, turning, turning. And now if you look, I have a wheel with numbers on it. But I'm going to cut those out too because they're going to make the slices of our pizza. Now we're going to cut it, make our yummy pieces of pizza. Now you can make anything you want on your pizza. If you like peppers on your pizza, you can use something green. If you like pineapple on your pizza, which I do, I like pineapple on my pizzas. You can use yellow. You can use even string or old fabric that mommy might have, or paper. But it's up to you. And if you don't have any colored paper, you can use any kind of paper and just paint it. Remember, we made our homemade paper or paint the other day. You can always use that. All right, now, Miss Wendy's going to put them in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so now we're going to add our pom-poms. All right, we're going to add some to the number 1. There we go. There's for number 1. Now we want to do number 2. Number 2. get that one in there. Put some pom-poms on. There we go. There's 2 of those. Number 3. 1, 2. Oops, get on there. And 3. All right, now this is the number 4. How many do we need? We need 4 pom-poms. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Push them on. Then we have number 5. Here's number 5. Got to put 5 on there. I'm going to count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can glue them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're getting high now. We're getting up to the number 6. Getting high. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can add them to my pizza slice. Does anybody know what comes after 6? Anybody out there? I know, but do you? Let's find out. Let's get the next piece. Number 7. Let's count them out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to glue them on. Now you can also take these around your house and collect other things that you can add next to it and make 7 of. So now, because you have your pom-poms on your piece, if you're not sure how many that is, you can count them again. Search for other things around the house, like, for example, 7 shoes. Or you can do 7 forks out of the kitchen. We have 1 more to do, and then we're going to have our whole pizza. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, I need another one. I will go get one. Here we go, number 8. All right, I have all my 8 pieces now. I can add them on. So like I was saying, you can go find things around the house. You can play like a little scavenger hunt with your mom, and she could tell you what to go find and how many of them that you can find. And like I said, if you don't remember how many, you can always count the pom-poms on your pizza slices, and that will help you remember. And if you don't have enough of the item that moms wants you to find, you can go back and get another one. So what you do is you would count the pieces on your pizza and count the pieces of the things that you collect. And then you do that until you have the same number of things. Now, I have all my pom-poms on there. Should we put our pizza back together and see how it looks? Let's start with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There is our pizza again. But this is our mouth pizza. We can't eat this pizza. But I'll show you an example of what you can do. I'm going to go over and I'm going to get some forks out of my kitchen drawer, and I'll show you how many we can do, all right? Okay, so now I have my pizza, and I have some forks and spoons here. So I'm just going to pick any number I want. And then I'm going to match however many forks and spoons I can to that number. So I'm going to choose a number 5. I'm going to move these out of the way. So I have the number 5 here. So I'm going to lay 5 things, whether it be forks or spoons, in a row to match my number 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I didn't use all of them, but I do have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to count the pom-poms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have the right number. You can play this game at your house with anything in the house that your mom says to go find. Practice your numbers, guys.